Alright, gentle people, we have been waiting for Shenseea for the longest while to drop some music. I know Shenseea dropped something on his storybook Riddim. So come in, shout out Rvssian, shout out Shenseea, make a go on it called Self Love. Don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe, alright?
My youth, nobody can do me like I do. That the truth. So I do it to myself sometime and put you on mute. It better than if me figure you bun. But from your command, me no come, then we no done.
We have to go back. Cause it sound like Shenseea they on some
My
figure herself business.
youth, nobody can do me like I do. That the truth. So I do it to myself sometime and put you on mute. It better than if me figure you bun. But from your command, me no come, then we no done. You make me grab a bullet and we no have a gun. I feel bring a tie for me have my fun. Just push it deep anytime you want up.
That tough. That tough. For the girl them, that is tough. Them have to bring a bullet and them not have a gun. If you don't know what that mean, comment down below, ladies.
Two stroke you get and you want stop. But you're not easy, you're full of beer cap. Me, I gotta tell everybody, say your thing flop. In a me DM, you did a promise me the most. Say I go do this and take me out of me clothes. It's a lucky thing me did a travel with me rose. Hey boy, I'm out, what this under me nose.
That is tough.
Relax my mind and try to find you. You have the buzz for my vagina. Now take no time for make my climax. All I need is little relax my mind and try to find you.
Hold on there.
You have the buzz for my vagina. Now take no time for make my
Shenseea, wait till you come home. You are short man property pan. Wait till you come home.
climax. All I need is little saliva. I can please myself. Me no need nobody else. I can please myself. I don't need nobody else. Love to touch myself where it's most delicate. Me no get way but me no celibate. Me coulda get up and left but me no ready yet. What's because the boy no get me Kelly yet? I throw me no one figure you bun. But from your come and me no come, then we not done.
We have to comment Shenseea because Shenseea is advocate for giving born. And no, she's not promoting that in this song. I like it.
You make me grab a bullet and we not have a gun. I feel bring a tie for me have my fun. Relax my mind and try to find you. You have the buzz for my vagina. Now take no time for make me climax. All I need is little saliva. I can please myself. Me no need nobody else. I can please myself. I don't need nobody else. I can do it on my own.
Don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe.
Babes, when I'm alone, I can go solo. I can do it.
Right now that Rose they give some man some run for their money, you know. That little Rose something them, you have to go find who make it and sue them.
Solo, do it solo. I can love myself. Relax my mind and try to find you. You have the buzz for my vagina. Now take no time for make me climax. All I need is little saliva. I can please myself. Me no need nobody else. I can please myself. I don't need nobody else. Shenseea.
Alright, make we go back to one of Shenseea. Yes, that part there. Leave it right there. Anyway, first thing first. Phenomenal production. Phenomenal lyrics. Phenomenal flow. This is Shenseea we miss. This is the Shenseea where we did want to come back in the dancehall scene because let's be honest, we don't have a lot of dancehall. I feel like a female dancehall right now. Hold on, let me kind of set this a little bit. Yeah. Right? Hold on, right there. Boom. Yes, we don't have a lot of female dancehall artists right now where I represent for we, except for Spice. Really and truly. Jada Kingdom have great talent, but I think Jada Kingdom is just lazy. Jada Kingdom, really and truly not put out nobody at work. You see me? I'm not gonna say she's lazy. No, let me correct myself. I don't think she's lazy. I just think Jada Kingdom is in a world by herself. And she not really... I don't think Jada Kingdom is really invested into the music like how we want her to, because I think Jada Kingdom is a phenomenal artist, bro. Like, Jada Kingdom bad as fuck. You see me? But we just now get the work we want from Jada Kingdom. We're glad that Shenseea is back. You see me? And this is the Shenseea we want. You see me? This is a song for the female them. I know this is gonna be a hit. I can feel it. You see me? But anyway, a song, I give song 10 out of 10, video 10 out of 10. You see me? Style, flow, lyrics. And when you really say the lyrics, it's just a calm, soothing song for the soul, for the females. You see me? And it really and truly push a positive message. Don't cheat, play with yourself. Simple as that. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And again, we'll see you guys in the next video.